This video guides you on how to use the text, button, and image element of WooCommerce email template customizer. How to use the text element in WooCommerce email template customizer. This is the interface of an email editing page. If you want to create text, drag and drop the text element to the editing space. Click anywhere in the text editing space. The text editing panel will appear that allows you to design text content and style. The content section of the text element allows you to customize email contents. The style section of the text element allows you to design email. You can duplicate text block, add unlimited text in the editing space, and remove any text blocks you don't need. Change typography, bold, italic and underline. Change alignment, left, center or right. Change font size, text color, background color. Insert and edit image. Insert and edit link. Insert information icons and social icons. You can style the text in the style section. Type value in the line height option to change for the height of text line. Set image and color for text background to fit your style. In the padding section, you can customize to change the space between the border of the text column and the content inside it. You can control the thickness of the border around the text and set the border radius to control corner roundness. How to use the button element in WooCommerce email template customizer. If you want to create a button, drag and drop the button element to the editing space. Click anywhere in the button editing space. Button editing panel will appear that allows you to design the button content and style. You can change the text of the button. And insert a link for the button. Go to the Style section to customize the button style. You can adjust the border width, border radius, border color, border style. Customize button color and button width. Adjust padding to create space between the border of the button column and the content inside it. Change text design, font size, font weight, color and line height as you want. Align the text to one of the positions, left, right, center. Set up margin to create spaces between the text and the edge of the email to the left, top, bottom, right. How to use the image element in WooCommerce Email Template Customizer. If you want to insert an image in the email, drag and drop the image element to the editing space. Click anywhere in the image editing space, the image editing panel will appear that allows you to design image content and style. You can select and insert any images in your media. Then in the style section, adjust image size, padding and background for image. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe to get our new videos.